Okay, welcome to the new house. We're walking through the kitchen here. Don't want a mess. Only been here a few days. It's pretty simplistic, but the open flow concept is very tropical, very Caribbean. I love it. Cross breeze is beautiful through here. Straight out onto the porch. Plenty of storage leading into where the bathroom is, which is key. Big bathroom, nice and tile. Giant, large one bedroom, king bed, two big patio doors that walk out onto the deck. Now we're just walking out on the deck here. Everything is so green, so lush. It's been a really good rainy season here the last few months. Can't wait to start the walkways and planting more colorful plants. This is outside the bedroom. Surfboard rack on the wall, easy access for first thing in the morning. Now we're going to head over to the outdoor shower, which I finished building yesterday. The concrete slab and wall were already here, but the plumbing needed to be done and finished and fixed. So I had some PVC lying around, managed to build it all, found a really good chunk of bamboo and hollowed it out, and then found a really sweet caulk shell to use as the shower head, and it works beautifully. Post surf shower is key. All right, let's go upstairs and we'll show you the view. Gotta put some tiles back there. More rooftop water containment for backup. Got about 7,500 liters of backup plus hooked up to water. And on this side we have Paul at Casa Apres Surf. Next door is my best friend, Tony Holiday, and his wife Mia and Evelyn. That's Casa Kalani. Beside them is our other good friend, Steve Parr, Casa Surfin. Welcome, Casa de las Olas, House of the Waves.